I'm here to tell you about a unique business acceleration opportunity for emerging Canadian Internet of Things-based businesses. Yes, sorry, this is just for companies headquartered in Canada. But the market opportunity for participating companies is most definitely global, and the potential is massive because we are addressing a critical issue: IoT security. The Secure IoT Accelerator program is looking for companies that are passionate about building new IoT products and services that will change the way our world operates, are ready to scale their IoT businesses to the next level, have the team, financial, and organizational capacity to participate and execute projects during the program timeframe, and are headquartered in Canada. If that sounds like you, keep listening. A recent survey of hundreds of IT decision makers worldwide by 451 Research found that enterprises value security capabilities as the #1 reason for choosing a commercial IoT platform, with 58% of survey respondents ranking it the top attribute in choosing a vendor partner. As a provider of IoT solutions, you know that security can no longer be an afterthought. It has to be a fundamental design parameter. This is not business as usual. That's exactly why this is not your usual acceleration program. We've brought together some of the best in the industry to provide participants in the Secure IoT Acceleration program exclusive access to new Secure by Design technology in the form of an IoT development kit, along with technical expertise and business mentorship to scale their businesses and compete globally. So let's take a look at the partners. By engaging with the Secure IoT Accelerator program, participating companies will be able to leverage Telus' LTE-M IoT network and global connectivity platform, including eSIM-based hardware root of trust, build on the global, unparalleled reputation of BlackBerry security, take advantage of Solace's event mesh low-latency messaging platform that is trusted by organizations such as SAP, financial exchanges, and air traffic control, and meet your objectives faster with one-on-one mentorship and support from LSpark's experienced team. The impact for participating companies is the ability to create a superior, differentiated solution and get to market faster. Companies will also be able to work with the accelerator partners to explore new IoT business models and opportunities for global market access. So let me ask you a question. What would it mean to your business if you could focus development efforts on building customer value rather than security patches, de-risk your customer security audits, enable seamless event-driven data flow between all your connected devices, IoT gateways, and cloud applications, future-proof your solution with the confidence that you are using fully scalable technologies? Have I got your attention? Let's dive a bit deeper. The development kits are central to the Secure IoT Accelerator program. At their core is an embedded SIM, eSIM for short, which serves as a security module similar to a trusted platform module to protect keys and identities and creates a hardware-based foundation of trust for the device. This is also what will enable devices to access the Telus global connectivity platform. The cellular shield comes with sensors and uses a Questel BG96 module for Cat-M1 connectivity to the Telus network. For convenience during the accelerator program, the kits will come with a Raspberry Pi to serve as the controller and allow developers broad flexibility as to what they wish to interface with. Then we have BlackBerry's hardened Linux-based operating system, which guarantees a secure connection from the application layer through to the hardware root of trust. Finally, users of the Secure IoT Dev Kit will be able to run Solace's PubSub application, which can be used to securely manage the flow of data between the device and selected cloud provider or applications. Participants will receive the SDK, libraries, and support necessary to get up and running with the Dev Kit. The Secure IoT Dev Kits come enabled with connectivity to the Telus LTM low-power wide area network. This IoT-optimized network is live today and provides the most comprehensive LTE-M coverage in Canada. Telus' LTE-M network delivers a strong wireless connection to IoT devices while requiring minimal power for each transmission, helping to prolong the battery life of connected devices. This is crucial for large-scale IoT deployments and devices located in remote areas, as it saves time and maintenance resources while increasing device uptime. Telus' LTE-M network is designed to be fully compatible with 5G technologies and will support low-power wide-area IoT applications such as smart cities, logistics, and agriculture well into the 5G future. Just to be clear, you can get an LTE-M-enabled IoT starter kit from Telus today, but only through the Secure IoT Accelerator can you access the new Telus BlackBerry Solace Secure IoT Development Kit and SDK. There is a need to secure devices throughout their lifecycle from manufacturer through deployment and day-to-day operations and right to decommissioning. One of the most effective ways of achieving this goal is to equip IoT devices with a hardware root of trust. Telus has taken this to the next level by incorporating the root of trust right into an embedded SIM. The eSIM enables devices to come ready for cellular connection out of the box. This removes the cost and complexity of distributing physical SIMs and makes the job of connecting devices much simpler. Since the eSIM itself is the root of trust credential storage and management vehicle, security is built in and inseparable from the device. The device can therefore create and manage its own keys so it can be independent of the cloud provider. Together with the secure software stack, this solution also enables secure over-the-air provisioning. That brings us to BlackBerry's contribution to this unique solution. A preeminent name in security around the world, BlackBerry has secured the platform's operating system. Although it is not possible to implement a secure boot with the Raspberry Pi in the development kit, once the Raspberry Pi is swapped for the final system on a chip, the stack can be fully secured. Developers will appreciate that the BlackBerry security features can be applied on top of the open-source Linux operating system. The secure boot, kernel, and platform hardening work together with the hardware root of trust to create ultra-secure connectivity to keep devices safe from malware, ransomware, and other threats. Solace's hybrid IoT event mesh enables seamless messaging between connected devices and on-prem or cloud-hosted services and applications. These events could be a sensor firing, a stock tick, or a heartbeat, for example. So we are talking about the distribution of real-time, high-volume event data. The Solace event broker, called PubSub, maintains continuous connections with devices, intelligently filtering and routing data so it's only sent to apps and devices that need it. This means that it is able to send a message to a device even when it is inactive, and data from the device can be pushed in real time to appropriate downstream apps. Messages are guaranteed to be delivered. What this means for your new product development is that you can create powerful and seamless out-of-the-box product and service experiences. The platform benefits include built-in connectivity, secure boot, kernel, and platform hardening that keeps devices safe and secure, end-to-end security that is independent of cloud providers, streamlined over-the-air device management, end-user managed access and provisioning, secure real-time bidirectional communication with your cloud services. Let's move on to look at some representative use cases that could be supported by the capabilities of this secure IoT platform. In the energy sector, smart grids would be an example of an application demanding system-wide high security beginning at the IoT device level, while also requiring the real-time event-driven messaging made possible by Solace. In the oil and gas sector, IoT is also being leveraged for the remote sensing of temperature, pressure, flow, tank levels, etc. for production optimization. Other applications include leak detection, safety monitoring, asset tracking, and predictive maintenance. In the case of pipelines and other field-based infrastructure, there can be many geographically dispersed sensors, all of which need to be kept updated, operational, and secure from tampering. Such sensor devices are ideal to be running on the LTE-M network and can be kept secure and updated by leveraging the capabilities of the Secure IoT platform. There are a number of emerging IoT applications within agriculture that could benefit from the Secure IoT platform. From precision irrigation to frost protection and controlled growing environments, data from IoT devices can help save resources and improve crop yields. Equipment and animal tracking has the added need to maintain connectivity under both mobile and often remote scenarios, which can be facilitated through the Telus LTM network. Finally, smart cities present many new opportunities for IoT solutions to have positive impacts on the environment, safety, and improving the efficiency of service delivery, as well as opening the door to services that we may not have even imagined yet. This is why we are excited to engage innovative companies like yours to invent the future in verticals such as these, health, and many others by leveraging the enhanced capabilities of the Secure IoT platform. So, I've told you about our amazing partners and the technology, but this is about more than just technology. This program is about propelling all aspects of your business forward. That's where LSpark comes in. LSpark is Canada's leading accelerator for software as a service companies. We also offer corporate acceleration activities like the Secure IoT program, as well as the BlackBerry LSpark Accelerator for autonomous vehicle technologies. Since the launch of our first cohort in January of 2015, LSpark has accelerated 47 companies across Canada. Together, these companies have raised in excess of $30 million to date, with much more to be announced soon. With over 20,000 investors, corporate partners, and startups now in our network, LSpark has curated a forceful Canadian tech community for participating companies to join. LSpark is also part of Wesley Clover International. In addition to Telus, BlackBerry, and Solace, who are front and center for the Secure IoT Accelerator program, LSpark has an extensive network of other champion partners who add value in a variety of ways for our participating companies and our alumni. Companies that are selected to join the Secure IoT Accelerator program can expect exclusive pre-commercial access to the Secure IoT Development Kit and SDK, access to technical expertise from Telus, BlackBerry, and Solace as required, a seasoned tech veteran who will act as an embedded mentor 1 day per week with the company for the duration of the program, additional support from the LSpark team, including weekly ops meetings to ensure progress and problem solve as needed, and finally, participants will be able to benefit from engagement in LSpark's extensive network and our events. All we ask in return is your commitment to work with us. There is no cost to participate in the program, and we won't ask for equity either. Although there will be certain activities that will happen at our headquarters in Ottawa, you will not need to be here full-time. We will stay in touch regularly by video conference. Of course, we are happy to offer office and meeting space for the duration of the accelerator for any teams who do want to spend time with us here in Ottawa. So, what happens next? Go to our website, lspark.com/accelerator/Secure IoT, fill out a short application form, and we will contact you to chat further. And you can book a time online to meet in person during our roadshow when we visit your city. We will be holding office hours in Vancouver, Calgary, Edmonton, Toronto, Waterloo, Ottawa, Montreal, and Fredericton. Be sure to submit your application by April 30th, and then stay tuned for details about the technical webinar to be held on May 1st, so that eligible applicants can learn more about the dev kit and ask any technical questions that they might have. In early May, we will be selecting a short list of companies to participate in a bootcamp period where they will have access to the dev kits to begin working on a proof of concept. Then, on June 10th, the companies will pitch to a group of representatives from the corporate partners, investor community, and others as part of the final selection. For selected companies, we are targeting program kickoff on the week of June 17th, with acceleration program activities culminating in a demo day with all the corporate partners in the October timeframe. Thanks so much for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon.